Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to invest in an M1 Finance Roth IRA using an easy method. We'll cover the basics of what a Roth IRA is and its fantastic tax benefits. Then, I'll show you how M1 Finance makes investing straightforward with its unique PIEs feature. Get ready to simplify your retirement savings journey. First, you'll need to set up your M1 Finance account. It's a quick process to link your bank account for funding. Make sure to choose Roth IRA as your account type during setup. Then, you can easily transfer your initial deposit. M1 Finance makes getting started with your retirement savings simple and secure. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, staying hydrated is key to clear thinking, even for investing. Check out the Oala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your water cold all day. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now for the fun part, building your investment portfolio. M1 Finance uses PIEs to organize your investments. You can pick from expertly designed pre-built PIEs or customize your own with specific ETFs and stocks. The best part? M1 automatically rebalances your portfolio, keeping it aligned with your goals without extra effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.